7, 8, 9, 10.
What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and recently in my online beginner breaking class, we've been working on ground freezes, starting with the turtle freeze, also working on the cricket, and also working on the pilot freeze. Now, something that is very useful in helping you strengthen both of these is working on the transition from the basic turtle freeze into the pilot freeze. In my class, we briefly went over this, but today I wanted to give you some training on the transition from the turtle to the pilot. If you need extra help with your breaking or need some extra guidance, make sure you hop into my beginner or intermediate breaking classes using the link below. We also do a monthly masterclass where this month we're gonna be doing turtles, so it's gonna be a really exciting time. All right, without further ado, let's get into our training. All right, y'all, as with all training videos, we always start with a basic skeleton and then we build up into doing the real thing. For today's training, we're gonna focus on one side and one side only, which should be your stronger side, the arm that you feel most comfortable doing the pilot freeze. Eventually, we're gonna work on going from side to side, but today, just our strong side. At this point, you should already have a basic turtle freeze and a basic pilot freeze. Doesn't have to be anything special or anything crazy, but you need to have both of those, okay? For our first drill, we're gonna basically transition from here to here, dragging our legs. So let's start by going to the turtle position.
And let's go ahead and put our head on the floor. And what we're gonna do is slowly drag one foot forward, just like this, and slowly bring this leg up, right? So just basically rotating our hips. Let's try that again. Ready? We'll go here. And we bring one leg forward, one leg back. Okay? It might not look like anything special right now, but eventually we're gonna build this up. Okay? That was 2. Let's go for 3. Ready? We go from here. We turn one leg forward. That's 3. And again. 4. And again. 5. And again. 6. And again. 7. And again. 8. And again. 9. And again. 10.
That right there is basically building the basic structure for this move without having to use much muscle strength, right? We're really just sliding one leg and lifting the other. What we're gonna attempt to do next is basically rotate our hips and our legs, still dragging just one foot this time. That last time we both basically had both feet on the ground the whole time until the end. This time we're gonna bring up one leg as we bring the other leg forward at the same time. So this time you're gonna have to use your arm to kind of push you just slightly. Okay, here we go, ready? Starting here, and I'm gonna go turn. That's 1, 2. Notice my hips. Turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the next sequence, we're basically gonna do the same exact thing that we just did, but we're essentially gonna be hopping from one leg to the other, giving ourselves this floating effect. Let me explain. We start in the turtle position. We are still turning our arm, just like this, but we're gonna start on this front leg, lifting this leg up, and we basically want to jump to this leg, okay? But at the same time, we are gonna turn our hips like that, in air, from one foot to the other, okay? Hence, turtle to pilot, okay? So let's do that 10 times. Ready? From here, we go. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice job, y'all. So that is just the beginning. We basically are just trying to get that basic structure in our body so that we can start to turn. This transition will help you with many moves, including the windmill, and also turtle into pretty much any other power move. So make sure you follow these steps, do these drills, and work your way up to this point. I'll be creating a follow-up video that'll help us link one pilot freeze to the next, doing this on both sides and eventually doing it without having our feet touch the floor. If you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you join my online breaking classes. We have a beginner, intermediate, and monthly master class. You can join by clicking the link below, and I'll see you next Tuesday. At the end of this month, we're gonna be learning turtles, which is gonna be really exciting. So make sure you guys hop into a class soon, and I'll see you soon, all right? Take care. Peace.